Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to move elements in Card.co. So first we're going to go to our browser and search for Card.co. Then once you go to their page, we need to log in. So after we log in, we're going to click on our project. So this is our project. Then we're going to click on the plus button since we want to move elements. For example, we're going to select image. Then we're going to upload an image to it. So now what you have to do is toggle that image and move it. So as you can see, it's easily movable. You guys can move it anywhere you want if it's relevant enough. So you guys could also move the text. You guys could also move other objects as you can see. Videos, text, lists. So for example, you guys can move the text just like this. So this is how you move elements. It's a very simple step. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.